Hello all, welcome to Codeforces round 979. We are solving problem A, a gift from Orangutan. So in this problem, we are given a vector A of size n and we need to construct vector B and vector C. And basically vector BI is defined as the minimum of all AI from A1 to AI, and similarly CI is defined as maximum of all A1 to AI. This is how we will be constructing our B and C. And finally, we are also given a score. A score is basically summation of all Ci and Bi from I is equal to 1 to n. Okay. And one thing is that before calculating the score, we can shuffle the elements of A however we want. And finally, we have to maximize the score that we get after the shuffling of the elements that we need to do optimally in order to maximize it. So this is the question. Okay. And just to see the examples, so first we are given only one element. So whatsoever we do, the difference will always be 0 because it will be both maximum or minimum, both will be same, so it is 0. For 765, they have given the explanation is that the updated A should be 7, 5 and 6. So B will become 755 and C will become 777 because C will be maximum of 7, maximum of 7 comma 5, maximum of 756, so always 777. B will be minimum of 7, then minimum of 5 7, it will be 5, then minimum of 5 7 6, again 5. So that is how they have done 5. Again we will see one more observation about C. They have not given the explanation here, but this is how the optimal should look like. So this is RA, it is 1 1 1 2 2. Optimally what we need to do is, since we have to maximize the difference, so for maximizing the difference we want that our C should always be the maximum. Okay, and for C always being maximum, the best way is to keep the largest element at the front, because once my A1 is the largest element, eventually all my element will be the largest. So since A1 is largest of A1 and A2, whatever be A2, again A1 will be the largest, so C1 largest, C2 largest, again another A3, A1, A2, C3 again will be the largest. So this is how my largest will become. Sorry, there is, this is C and this is B. Okay, C will be basically the largest of all. So I will push the first element at the largest element at the first position. Now I need my B to be minimized, but since I'm placing A1 that is the largest at the first, now I want to minimize the immediate next because I don't care about the large or anything like that, because C is my sorted now. I have to look for minimum. Then what I'll do is I will put the minimum of all the AIs at the second position. Okay, so I have put the AI, in this case one is the my smallest, so I have put that. So my B will now basically become 2, and sorry, B2 will be minimum of 2 and 1, again 1, and since I have the minimum number at the second position, so eventually all the numbers will be minimum only. So this is how my B will be constructed. Okay, so in this case we will always get the first two elements of both B and C to be the same. That is why when element is 1 it will be 0, so the difference will be 0, and for the rest you will notice it will be just the difference of the maximum and minimum. So that is why what we are doing is we are taking the inputs, we are sorting the A, and then we are just taking the difference of our the largest element minus our minimum element into n minus 1, because there will be n minus 1 times since the first two will cancel out each other. So that will be our answer. So yeah, this was all for this question, guys. If you have any query, any doubts, do comment it out and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.